For pet parents, the battle against pet hair is a never-ending one. It seems to cling to everything, multiplying mysteriously and defying all attempts at eradication. Enter the Bissell Cleanview Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum, a weapon specifically designed to combat the furry onslaught. But does it live up to the hype? After putting it through its paces in a real home with real pets and real pet hair? Here's a detailed breakdown of this vacuum's strengths, weaknesses, and whether it deserves a permanent spot in your cleaning arsenal. First impressions: lightweight and user-friendly. Right out of the box, the Bissell Cleanview Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum makes a positive impression. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, a welcome relief from bulky vacuums that require an Olympic weightlifting routine to operate. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and parts that clicked effortlessly into place. Within minutes, I was ready to unleash this little cleaning machine on the ever-present pet hair in my home. Taming the tumbleweeds, powerful suction, and scatter-free technology. Let's get down to the real nitty-gritty: pet hair removal. This is where the Bissell Cleanview truly shines. The triple-action brush roll with scatter-free technology is a game-changer. This innovative combination picks up pet hair with impressive efficiency, leaving carpets, furniture, and hard floors noticeably fur-free. Unlike some vacuums that scatter debris as they clean, the scatter-free technology minimizes this frustrating issue, making the cleaning process more efficient. Maneuverability magic, swivel steering, and quick-release wand. The swivel steering feature is another star of the show. This allows the vacuum to effortlessly navigate around furniture and tight corners, making cleaning a breeze. No more wrestling the vacuum cleaner to reach those tricky spots. The quick-release extension wand adds another layer of versatility. This detachable wand is always on and ready to clean above-floor areas like furniture, curtains, and even car interiors. Switching between floor cleaning and above-floor cleaning is quick and convenient, saving you time and effort. A convenient clean, automatic cord rewind, and lightweight design. Anyone who has ever tangled with a vacuum cord knows the frustration. Thankfully, the Bissell Cleanview features an automatic cord rewind. With a simple press of a button, the cord effortlessly retracts into the vacuum, eliminating the need for manual cord wrangling. The lightweight design also contributes to the overall cleaning convenience. No more lugging around a heavy vacuum cleaner, leaving you with less post-cleaning fatigue. A company with a heart, supporting homeless pets. An added bonus that warmed my heart is Bissell's commitment to helping homeless pets. With every Bissell product purchase, a portion of the proceeds goes to the Bissell Pet Foundation, which works to help save homeless animals. So by cleaning your home with this vacuum, you're not just helping your furry friend, you're potentially helping countless others find loving forever homes. Not without its quirks. A look at the potential drawbacks. While the Bissell Cleanview Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum is a fantastic tool for pet owners, it's not without its limitations. The dirt tank might be on the smaller side, especially for larger homes with multiple pets. This means you might find yourself emptying it more frequently throughout your cleaning routine. Another thing to consider is that this vacuum might not be the best choice for homes with very deep carpets. While it does a great job on surface debris and pet hair, it might lack the power to tackle deeply embedded dirt. The final verdict: a solid choice for most pet parents. Overall, the Bissell Cleanview Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum is a strong contender for pet parents looking for a lightweight, maneuverable, and convenient vacuum cleaner. The powerful suction with scatter-free technology effectively tackles pet hair, while the swivel steering and quick-release wand ensure a versatile and efficient cleaning experience. The automatic cord rewind and lightweight design add to the overall convenience. Here's a quick recap of the pros and cons to help you decide if this vacuum is the right fit for you. Pros: powerful suction with scatter-free technology tackles pet hair effectively. Lightweight and maneuverable with swivel steering. Quick-release wand for convenient above-floor cleaning. Automatic cord rewind for easy storage. Supports homeless pets through Bissell Pet Foundation. Cons: smaller dirt tank might require more frequent emptying. Might not be ideal for very deep carpets. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.